Morning, everyone. This is Shakti Shri, Assistant Professor of Commerce, GTN Arts College, Dindigul. My research title is COVID-19 Lockdown Impact on Women in Dindigul District. So, this study has been conducted during the first 2 or 3 weeks during the lockdown, when the period the lockdown has been announced. So, this picture itself speaks a lot about the stress faced by women during this lockdown period. So, objectives. The objectives of my study are to study the demographic profile of women in the Dindigul district, to analyze the source of income and buying behavior of women during this pandemic period, to find the causes of stress faced by women and how they overcome themselves from the stress, to analyze the stress level among four categories of women. There are four categories of women. They are women who stay at home, that are homemakers, women, working women who work from home, who do work from home. So the third category is the working women who do not work from home, and fourth one is the business women. So to analyze the stress level among these four category of women. So benefits of my study are to understand the thing that gender inequalities are still prevailing in our country or in our families. So gender inequalities are still there. Next, to implement the government policies according to the needs of the women, to reduce the workload of women employees who work from home, because they have more responsibilities while working from home. It is different for a men and a women. That is, work from home is completely different for a man and a woman. So this should be understood by the employer. To introduce more schemes by the government to help women, to understand the problems of women and to support them. Major findings of my study are: the lockdown affects differently on women who stay at home, who work from home, on business women. So among these women, the impact of lockdown is completely different. So only a minimum number of working women gets income during the lockdown. That is only a minimum number of women are getting their actual salary. Few of them are getting partial salary. Many of them are not getting their salary. So, then women face different levels of stress based on three factors. So the stress factors are income during the lockdown. So many people do not getting income. So this brings a lot of stress among the women. Uh, the next factor is the responsibilities in home added with the work from home. So the responsibilities are more, because everyone is in home, the children are in home, children are at home. So the woman has to take care of her family, has more work at the home, and also she has to work from home for their institution or her employer. So the third factor is business or economic pressures. For the women, the business women, they have economic pressures, business pressures, that is economic pressures, and post-COVID scenario of their business. They have to take care of that. So that gives a stress to the business women. So based on the three factors, women are affected differently. The government schemes were not useful for them during this lockdown. Government has provided, announced various schemes. Various schemes are in practice, but those are all not useful for them during this lockdown. So women prefer to buy food items and medicines more during the lockdown, but they do not get, they are not able to get them at a fair price. Conclusion of my study: the source of income of majority of respondents is savings. Savings, mm, so income from other persons of family also supported up to an extent, but the saving habit, the savings have helped women, help the families during this lockdown a lot. The next, hearing music and watching old movies. It plays a major role in overcoming the stress during the lockdown. Many people, many women felt the hearing music is a stress buster. Hearing music helps a lot to overcome the stress during this, specifically during this lockdown time. Majority of women felt this lockdown provided a good time to spend with family. Um, Even though they feel stressed and they have more work and difficulties, they have economic problems, anything, they felt at a precious time to spend with family. The research has discovered that the stress level among the four categories of women are completely different. That is for the homemakers, for the business women, for the women who work from home, working women who do not work from home. Among the four category of women, the stress level is completely different. The impact of stress, the impact of lockdown, the causes of stress and its effects and everything at all is different. Thank you.